I had a problem with a leaning chimney, and I found Chris at Piedmont Foundation Repair. Chris and his crew left a couple hours ago. And they completed the job, and I really could not be happier. The chimney was moved right back into place. I'm including a couple of before and after pictures here for your information. And here's the before, and there was a big gap between the chimney and the house. And here's the after. Chimney's nice and snug up against the house. Please feel free to use me as a reference if you need to. It's nice to work with such a conscientious and professional group of guys that Chris has. All the best. My name is Dennis, Harrisburg, North Carolina.